Welcome back to the ACCA Academy. In today's video, we'll be diving into decision-making techniques as part 6 of our Specialist Cost and Management Accounting Technique series. If you missed part 5 where we covered target costing, you'll find the link in the description below. Make sure to check it out for a complete understanding. First topic is decision-making techniques. Decision-making is a critical function of management that involves selecting the best course of action among various alternatives. Specialist cost and management accounting techniques provide frameworks and tools to ensure effective decision-making. Next topic is key decision-making techniques. 1. Relevant cost analysis definition. Focuses on identifying costs relevant to a specific decision. Key points. 1. Relevant costs are future costs that will differ based on the decision taken. 2. Irrelevant costs include sunk costs, fixed overheads, and costs that remain unchanged. Examples: A. Make or buy decisions. B. Accepting, rejecting special orders. 2. Cost volume profit, CVP, analysis definition. Examines the relationship between cost, volume, and profit. Key components: 1. Contribution margin. Sales price per unit, variable cost per unit. 2. Break-even point. The sales volume where total revenue equals total costs. Applications: A. Determining the impact of changes in sales volume or pricing. B. Evaluating profitability at different levels of activity. 3. Marginal costing definition. Focuses on variable costs to make short-term decisions. Key points of fixed costs are treated as period costs and not allocated to products. B. Provides clarity on the contribution margin. Applications: A. Short-term pricing decisions. 2. Assessing the profitability of specific products or services. 4. Activity-based costing, ABC, definition. Allocates costs to products or services based on activities performed. Key steps. 1. Identify activities and their cost drivers. 2. Assign costs to activities. 3. Allocate costs to products or services based on their use of activities. Advantages. 1. Provides more accurate cost information. 2. Highlights non-value-adding activities. Applications. 1. Product costing. 2. Process improvement. 5. Linear programming definition. A mathematical method to optimize resource allocation. Key features. 1. Objective function. The goal, e.g., maximize profit or minimize cost. 2. Constraints. Limitations such as budget, material, or labor. Applications: 1. Product mix decisions. 2. Resource allocation. 6. Decision trees definition. A graphical tool that helps evaluate multiple outcomes and decisions. Key steps: A. Identify the decision points. B. Map out possible outcomes. C. Assign probabilities and costs, benefits to each outcome. D. Compute the expected values to identify the optimal decision. Applications: A. Investment decisions. Risk management. 7. Sensitivity analysis definition. Examines how changes in key variables impact the outcome of a decision. Key points: A. Identifies critical variables that influence decisions. B. Tests the robustness of a decision under different scenarios. Applications: A. Budgeting. B. Project appraisal. 8. Discounted cash flow, DCF, techniques definition. Evaluates investment decisions by considering the time value of money. Key techniques: 1. Net present value, NPV. The difference between the present value of cash inflows and outflows. 2. Internal rate of return, IRR. The discount rate that makes NPV 0. Applications: 1. Capital budgeting. B. Long-term investment decisions. Next topic is practical applications of decision-making techniques. 1. Pricing strategies. Using marginal costing or CVP analysis to set competitive prices. 2. Resource allocation. Applying linear programming to optimize production. 3. Cost control. Leveraging ABC to identify and eliminate inefficiencies. 4. Investment appraisal. Utilizing DCF techniques to evaluate new projects. 5. Risk assessment. Employing sensitivity analysis and decision trees for robust planning. Thank you for watching part 6 of our key decision-making techniques. In this video, we discussed the key decision-making techniques. Want to continue learning? Check out part 7 where we discuss decision-making techniques. The link to part 2 is in the description below. If you want to download the notes or sample papers for practice, check the link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to First Step Study for more educational videos.